Ever wished you could place a few simple items in strategic spots and watch as money flows into your life like never before? Today, I'm about to reveal 3 powerful money rituals that not only attract cash, but also shield your home, your life, and most importantly, your finances from harm. These rituals are designed to break the cycle of scarcity and usher in a new era of abundance. But before we dive into the magic, let's talk about the energy of money. Picture this. Money, like everything else in the universe, is energy. And just like a magnet, it attracts. But here's the catch. It's all about frequencies. Align yourself with the frequency of abundance, and you'll start attracting opportunities, people, and situations that resonate with that vibe. It's like a domino effect leading to more wealth and prosperity. But what about the flip side? Negative frequencies like scarcity, fear, and envy can keep you trapped in a vicious cycle, blocking abundance from flowing into your life. So, how do we break free? By shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance. Remember, complaints are a sign of poverty, while gratitude is a sign of wealth. So, let's shift our focus to positivity and gratitude, because that's where the magic happens. And now, let's explore how simple rituals, like placing clothes in key spots, can not only protect you, but also attract abundance beyond your wildest dreams. The first ritual, known as cloves in soil, is a symbolic and practical method aimed at inviting protection and prosperity into one's living or working environment. This ritual revolves around the act of planting 3 cloves into the soil of a specific plant called mother-in-law's tongue. The choice of this plant is significant due to its reputed ability to purify the air and thrive in various conditions. By incorporating cloves, a small reddish-brown spice, into the soil, practitioners tap into the symbolic power associated with this aromatic herb. Cloves have been traditionally used in various cultures for their protective and purifying properties. In this context, the number 3 holds particular significance, often representing creation, harmony, and balance across spiritual and cultural traditions. As the cloves take root alongside the mother-in-law's tongue plant, they are believed to infuse the surrounding space with positive energy and abundance. Placing this adorned plant at the entrance of a home or office serves as a symbolic gesture of welcoming prosperity and safeguarding against negative influences. The act of nurturing the plant and observing its growth parallels the intention to nurture and cultivate abundance in one's life. It encourages practitioners to maintain a mindset of abundance and gratitude as they tend to the plant and witness its flourishing. Additionally, the visual presence of the adorned plant serves as a daily reminder of the intentions set forth during the ritual. Furthermore, the placement of the plant at the entrance holds symbolic significance as it acts as a guardian, filtering incoming energies and attracting positive vibrations. This ritual is not merely about physical adornment, but also about imbuing the space with intention and mindfulness, creating a harmonious environment conducive to prosperity and well-being. As we explore these powerful money rituals, it's clear that abundance is within reach for those who seek it. But what if I told you there's even more to uncover? If you're eager to unlock the secrets of wealth and prosperity, look no further. Check out the link in the comments below to discover the shocking wealth secrets revealed by a rogue NASA scientist. It's a fascinating journey that could transform your financial future. Now, let's continue our exploration of abundance together. The second ritual, cloves with money, serves as a practical and symbolic means of enhancing the energy surrounding one's finances while simultaneously fostering a sense of abundance and security. This ritual involves the placement of 3 cloves alongside money, typically in a safe or wherever one stores their financial assets. The use of cloves in conjunction with money carries significant symbolism rooted in ancient traditions and beliefs. Cloves have long been revered for their protective properties, believed to ward off negative energies and attract prosperity. By pairing cloves with money, practitioners aim to amplify the positive energy surrounding their finances, creating a potent energetic field conducive to abundance and financial well-being. The number 3, once again, plays a pivotal role in this ritual, symbolizing creation, harmony, and manifestation. By aligning 3 cloves with money, individuals harness the power of sacred numerology to amplify their intentions and desires for financial abundance. Placing the adorned money in a safe or another designated location where finances are stored serves as a tangible reminder of the intentions set forth during the ritual. It creates a sacred space imbued with positive energy, safeguarding against financial hardships and attracting opportunities for growth and prosperity. Moreover, the act of consciously arranging cloves with money fosters a deeper connection with one's financial resources and the energy they represent. It encourages individuals to approach their finances with mindfulness and intention, cultivating a sense of abundance and gratitude for the wealth they possess. In addition to its symbolic significance, the cloves with money ritual also serves as a practical tool for financial management and protection. By infusing their financial assets with the energy of cloves, individuals fortify their resources against negative influences and unexpected challenges, thereby ensuring greater stability and security. Ultimately, the cloves with money ritual offers a holistic approach to managing and enhancing one's financial well-being. By combining symbolism, intention, and practicality, practitioners empower themselves to create a prosperous and secure financial future filled with abundance and opportunity. The third ritual, cloves in a cloth bag, presents a beautifully crafted method aimed at harnessing the power of intention and symbolism to attract abundance and prosperity into one's life. This ritual entails the careful arrangement of a coin or banknote alongside 3 cloves within a cloth bag, preferably of a vibrant red hue. The choice of a cloth bag, particularly one in red, is deliberate and significant. Red is often associated with vitality, energy, and passion, making it an ideal color for imbuing the ritual with a sense of vibrancy and potency. Additionally, red is believed to symbolize luck and good fortune in many cultures, further enhancing the ritual's efficacy in attracting abundance. As each clove is delicately placed within the bag, practitioners are encouraged to speak affirmations of abundance and prosperity aloud. These affirmations serve to reinforce the intention behind the ritual, anchoring it firmly in the subconscious mind and aligning one's thoughts and beliefs with the desired outcome. By vocalizing these affirmations, individuals actively engage in the manifestation process, empowering themselves to attract the abundance they seek. The inclusion of a coin or banknote within the cloth bag symbolizes the tangible manifestation of wealth and prosperity. It serves as a potent symbol of financial abundance, anchoring the ritual in the realm of the physical and tangible. By placing this symbol of wealth alongside the cloves, practitioners infuse the ritual with a sense of materiality, enhancing its ability to attract financial prosperity into their lives. Once assembled, the cloth bag becomes a powerful talisman, carrying with it the energy of abundance and prosperity wherever it goes. Carrying this bag serves as a constant reminder of one's intentions and aspirations, fostering a sense of connection to the abundance that surrounds us. Whether tucked away in a purse, wallet, or pocket, the cloth bag acts as a portable altar, radiating positive energy and attracting financial opportunities wherever it travels. As we conclude our exploration of these powerful money rituals, remember that abundance is not just about material wealth. It's a state of mind and a way of being. By aligning ourselves with the frequency of abundance, nurturing positive energy, and expressing gratitude for what we have, we can invite prosperity into every aspect of our lives. Each ritual we've discussed today offers a unique blend of symbolism, intention, and practicality, empowering us to cultivate abundance and protect our financial well-being. Whether it's planting cloves in soil, adorning money with cloves, or creating a cloth bag filled with abundance, these rituals serve as potent tools for manifesting our desires and attracting prosperity. But let's not forget that true wealth lies not just in monetary gain, but also in the richness of our relationships, our health, and our connection to the world around us. As we embark on this journey towards abundance, let's carry with us the understanding that wealth is multidimensional and encompasses all aspects of our lives. So, as you incorporate these rituals into your daily practice, may you be guided by a spirit of abundance, gratitude, and generosity. And may you continue to attract opportunities, experiences, and blessings that align with your highest good. Remember, the universe is infinitely abundant, and there's more than enough prosperity to go around for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery, and may your path be illuminated with abundance every step of the way.